So, in our second lockdown, how can you keep your skin looking and feeling radiant at home? It's a time of year when many of us get dull skin anyway, going into the winter months. We're going from the cold outside into central heating with very, very dry air, and it can play havoc with our skin anyway. Now we're going to spend more time indoors than we normally would. Surrounded by more dust than we normally would be that's settling on our skin, and we might find that our skin looks a little bit more dull and lackluster than it normally does. Now, I'm a big fan of at-home peels and facials. There's nothing as nice as feeling like you've got a great mask on your face. One of my personal favourites is the Peel to Glow. It's so easy, and it's an at-home version of having an in-clinic peel. It doesn't sting as much as an in-clinic peel, and it isn't going to penetrate as deeply as an in-clinic peel, but what it will do is take off the outer dull dead skin cells, and then you apply the glow, and you'll wake up in the morning and your skin will feel and look bouncy, hydrated and radiant, which is what we're after. I'm also a big fan of products like the Exuviance triple Microdermabrasion polish, which is another one of my go-tos. This is sort of more of a quick fix. It's a scrub with crystals in it, which has also got alpha hydroxy acids in it, so it smells divine as well, by the way, and you can use that to just give the skin a really quick polish. It's lovely in the morning. It's nothing you're going to need to leave sitting on your skin. So glow doesn't just come from exfoliation, it also comes from good hydration. So make sure you're drinking plenty. Think about putting yourself on a collagen supplement over the next few weeks. My personal favourite is the Zenny Skin Fusion, and I have my little shot of it with some sparkling water from the fridge, and it's like a treat. I really enjoy having it, and that will keep your skin healthier and hydrated and firmer from the inside out. If you really struggle with lackluster and dry skin, then starting on some omega-3, 6 and 9 can be a really good extra trick to get through the next few weeks. And thinking about how you're moisturising, remembering that, again, this is really variable depending on your skin type, but glow also comes from having a healthy skin barrier that locks moisture in. So this time of year for me, ceramides are really important as an ingredient. The SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore is my go-to. I love having that on a couple of times a week as a sort of an overnight mask. But whichever product it is that makes you tick, ceramides are a great ingredient as well.